Welcome back to Program Premiere here at Washington State. I am joined today by Micah Covert, who is a business management technology instructor here at Washington State. Thank you so much, Micah, for joining us.
Well, thank you, Megan. And as Megan said, my name is Micah Covert. I've been with Washington State since 2020, last fall, and I've been an instructor here since January of 2021. Prior to that, I was teaching at a different college here in Ohio for the last 4 years, and so I'm excited to be with Washington State.
Great. Thank you so much, Micah. So can you tell us a little bit about the Business Management Technology program?
I can tell you a lot about it. Our program, we prepare our students with both the technical skills and the soft skills to be leaders in their communities. So we have a lot of students who graduate and they either work for private industries, which we have a lot of here in the Mid-Ohio Valley, or they work for governments or small nonprofits in our area. So we have a lot of folks that go and work for the Bureau of Public Debt in Parkersburg. But in addition to that, we have a lot of students who are distance learners. So they are in our fully online program, which is one of the benefits that our program offers, that students can take classes face-to-face with myself or other instructors. And by the way, our instructors here in the business department, we have over, I just counted it today, over 100 years of experience in the business program. Not all from me, obviously, but those who live far away can take our online program, which is a great opportunity for the students. And another thing, we try to make this program as cost effective as possible. So, in our program, students are not going to be spending a lot of money on textbooks, which is something that we're pretty proud of.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for sharing that. So
Yeah.
can you speak to some of the courses that a student might expect to take for this?
Yeah, so just like all the other programs at Washington State, students are expected to take their general education requirements. So our students will take speech, English Comp 1. There's a variety of math courses our students can take depending on what their plans are after their time at Washington State. So we would recommend if a student wanted to transfer either to a university here in Ohio or outside, that they would take a different math than a student that's ready to get right to work, or a student that is ready to start their own business. But other than our general education classes, we start out with our intro class to business management. So a student can learn a little bit about everything in the business management world. It's business is an art and a science. So our program speaks to the hard sciences and the soft sciences and the social sciences. And students get to learn a variety of things from marketing to human resources management, finance, accounting, sales, and customer service. And what we ask our students to really take a reflective look at what they want in their life. So if a student is super passionate about starting their own business, then we will kind of guide them into the direction of and give them the coursework that gets them to the place that they can maybe start to do. Well, I can do QuickBooks on my own. If a student is really interested in leadership, then in one of our capstone courses, a student will learn those leadership skills that would make them a good manager, either in the private world or the public industries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any extra tips or advice that you can actually give to students that are entering this program?
Yeah, I would say keep an open mind. So as I mentioned, there's a wide variety of students that enter into the business program. And you might be a numbers person, and you might be a people person. And we offer courses for those folks of all kinds. So if you are super excited about numbers, perhaps you might be encouraged to double major in the accounting program. Or you're great at finance, but you had no idea. And really, by keeping an open mind, you can see that there is a whole wealth of careers available to our students. And that's really the biggest piece of advice I would have.
Great. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, is there anything else you'd like to add to that about the program that we've not shared already?
Well, I know that the time that our students spend here on campus or online is a great opportunity to learn from each other and also from us as instructors, and that we enjoy learning from you as well, and that we try our hardest to make sure that our curriculum, our assignments, our tests, our quizzes, our projects are reflective of the workforce today. So we're not doing assignments that we did 10 years ago. We're doing things that matter for today. And that includes the use of technology too. So I think by keeping an open mind, by exploring some career avenues that folks may not have had any idea, and by being flexible with their classes, a student could really enjoy themselves here at Washington State, but also walk away with real skills in the business program that they can put on their resume and get a job tomorrow.
Okay. And Micah, I understand you have a upcoming information session. Would you like to talk about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So as I mentioned, all of our courses in the business program are available online. And so if you are interested in being an online student here at Washington State Community College, we're having an online programs information session on June 22nd at 5:30. You can find more information about it by going to our website, wscc.edu, and register for the event there.
Okay, great. And if you'd like to apply to the Business Management Technology program, you can visit our website as well for that. And if you're also a prospective student, we'd like to invite you to our Degree to Dollars event happening on June 29th from 5 to 7 p.m., where you can learn about the area's most in-demand jobs and speak to representatives that might be able to connect you to those financial support programs. So please join us for that. Again, you can find information online and on our Facebook page for that. Thank you again, Micah, for joining us for Program Premiere. We'll see you next Tuesday.